Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will not be doing the normal recursive in order or post order traversal because that is quite easy and everyone must have solved it 1000 times, but this is different. तो आज की वीडियो में हम मॉरिस प्री ऑर्डर और इन ऑर्डर ट्रैवर्सल समझेंगे. This algorithm is not very frequently asked, honestly, but there can be follow-up question, and this is an interesting algorithm, so that is why I am covering it in the video. But honestly, this is a rare ask. So the algorithm is Morris traversal. What was the need what was the need of this algorithm? What was the intuition behind this algorithm? Who invented it? I will first talk about the history और उसके बाद हम देखेंगे कि ये कैसे करता है काम. तो एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, जैसे यही दिया हुआ है 1 2 3, and honestly I liked this algorithm. This was pretty interesting. So इसका इन ऑर्डर ट्रैवर्सल हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. So in order traversal will be root and right. This tree does not have a left. This is the root itself, so we will write root first because this doesn't have a left. Then we come here, and this is the current node currently. This has a left, but this doesn't have a right, so we'll write the left first and then the current, and then there's no right. The answer should be 1 3 2. Okay, let's see one more example, which is 1 2 3 8 9 5 6 7 and 4. Also, there is a takeaway from this algorithm which is very important. That concept is very frequently asked. Okay, that is a very important concept. So in this we have to take left, root and right. So let us see, there exists a left subtree, so we will consider this left subtree first. This is a left subtree. इसमें सबसे पहले प्रिंट क्या होगा, लेफ्ट मोस्ट, तो लेफ्ट होते जाएंगे. दिस इज द लेफ्ट मोस्ट, सो वी विल प्रिंट 4. नाउ इट विल ट्रेस बैक टू 2. नाउ 2 हैज़ अ राइट सबट्री, राइट, 2 हैज़ अ राइट सबट्री एंड that is 5, but 5 is a left subtree and a root and a right subtree, so right subtree of 2 is done. Now it traces back to 1. Now from 1 we move to the right subtree, which is 3 8 and 9. Now 3 does not have a left subtree, so we'll print 3, but 8 has a left subtree, so we will print 9 first and then 8. This is going to be the in order traversal. So it is 4 2 6 5 7 1 3 9 8. Okay, that is correct. So whenever we were implementing, there was a pattern in the approach. Okay, so first let us understand कि हमें सीखना ही क्यों है. Why Morris? Because for in order, pre-order and post-order traversals, we already have recursive approach, iterative approach. So we already have the stack based approaches, but what was the issue? So in the recursive approach, which is very easy, we move to the left, we populate the right, we populate the root in the vector, or we print it, whatever is as needed, and then we move to the right. But the problem there was, this is the time complexity, this is the space complexity. The time complexity is O of n, where n is a number of nodes. Obviously we are going to traverse over each node once, but the space complexity is O of h, which is the height of the tree, which is the size of the recursive stack. सो रिकर्सिव का जो इंटरनल स्टैक है, द ऑक्सिलरी स्टैक, दैट हैज़ अ स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ O of H, whereas this Morris algorithm, which we'll discuss now, this has a space complexity of 1. द टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी विल रिमेन द सेम, ऑब्वियसली ट्रैवर्सल कर रहे हैं हर नोड तो एक बार ट्रैवर्स करना ही पड़ेगा, और कोई तरीका नहीं है. सो दिस इज द गेन ऑफ मॉरिस एल्गोरिथम. नाउ इफ योर ट्री इज बैलेंस्ड, तो हाइट क्या होगी, log n. तो क्या इशू आएगा इतना, तो इतना इशू नहीं आएगा, log n हाइट है, ठीक है, थोड़ी बहुत स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी होगी. बट इफ़ योर ट्री इज skewed, which is the worst cases for all the binary trees. Skewed trees क्या होता है ये. So height is equal to number of nodes. तो स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बढ़ के क्या हो जाएगी, ऑफ एन. देखो स्पेस भी और टाइम भी दोनों ऑफ एन हो गई है. तो इस केस में हम क्या करेंगे कि जो बाइनरी ट्री है वो स्क्यूड है, तो स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. तो क्या रिकर्सिव सोल्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्टिमल है, नहीं. रिकर्सिव सोल्यूशन एंड इटरेटिव सोल्यूशन आर नॉट ऑप्टिमल. सो फॉर एनी ट्रैवर्सल वी currently had only 2 approaches. One was recursive, which was very easy, and then the stack based approach, which was exactly the same. बस हम ये रिकर्जन खुद स्टैक नहीं लेता, इंटरनली स्टैक लेता है. हम यहाँ पे स्टैक लेके पॉपुलेट करवाते रहते हैं. लेफ़्ट को पूरा पॉपुलेट करा देंगे पॉप करके, उसको राइट ट्रैवर्स कर लेंगे, मतलब जो हम अभी कर रहे थे एग्जैक्टली वही. बट इसका एक और तरीका है विच इज़ द मोस्ट ऑप्टिमल, विच इज़ द मॉरिस एल्गोरिथम, मॉरिस ट्रैवर्सल एल्गोरिथम. एंड इसके अंदर 2 इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट सीखेंगे, विच इज़ थ्रेडेड बाइनरी ट्रीज, एंड द सेकेंड इज़ इन ऑर्डर और लाइक प्रीडिसेसर्स का कॉन्सेप्ट सीखेंगे कि इन ऑर्डर, प्रीडिसेसर, पोस्ट ऑर्डर, प्रीडिसेसर, सक्सेसर, ये सारे कॉन्सेप्ट इसमें यूज़ होने वाले हैं. सो मॉरिस ट्रैवर्सल. नाउ इन इंटरव्यू यू विल बी आस्क्ड इन ऑर्डर ट्रैवर्सल, पोस्ट ऑर्डर या प्री ऑर्डर करो, विच इज़ वेरी ईजी क्वेश्चन. तो नॉट श्योर, देर माइट बी फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन, तो हो सकता है पूछ लें. एंड उस केस में इफ द इंटरव्यू आस्क कि यू हैव टू ऑप्टिमाइज स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी, दैट इज़ अ time when you have to suggest the interviewer this approach, which is Morris traversal, which we'll discuss now. And this Morris traversal algorithm, this is not very commonly asked, and this is also not very straightforward, but this is the most optimal traversal algorithm for any binary, so you should be knowing it, because traversal is what is essentially required for solving any question of binary tree. So let us see what it does. And this is a very intuitive algorithm. How we think is how this works. So let us not take this tree, but let us take some other tree, which is the normal balanced tree. And you can see, let us do Morris, understand the Morris in order traversal, backtracking, the intuition behind this. So you have left, root and right. This is what we have to do. The intuition says that you come to the root, you check the right, left. From the left, once you have whatever printed it, pushed it in the vector, and you have processed it, you move back to the root. Once you have moved back to the root, then you move to the right. Let us take one more example. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, from you, this is the root. You move to the left, you move to the leftmost. Once you move to the leftmost, you backtrack, and this backtracking is very important. This is the intuition behind. You backtrack to the root. Now from the root you move to the right. From the right you again backtrack to the root. After moving to the root, you now move to the right, and then there's no left subtree, you process this, you move to the right. So what is this happening? There is some connection that we're building over here. This connection, that the left root right. This, for example, the root was 1, this is some left subtree order, and this is some right subtree order. What is the in order predecessor of root? It is 9, because this is in order predecessor of 1. So in order predecessor of root is the rightmost of left. So this is the concept which is used in Morris algorithm, that in order predecessor of root is the rightmost node of left. This is concept. And once you have finished all the left subtree, you trace back to this node. From where do you trace back? So you trace back from 9 back to 1. So trace back from the in order predecessor to root, then you move to right. So there will be, because this concept is based on, this algorithm is based on threaded binary trees, that means we will be modifying the binary tree real time, and at the end we will also be restoring it. And that is how we are saving space, because all the connections we are making inside the binary tree only. हम binary tree को modify करने वाले हैं, और बाद में जो भी modify करके हमने connections बनाए होंगे उनको हम हटा भी देंगे. We will restore them, and these connections are called threads, and therefore this is called a threaded binary tree approach. And this is a clever, this concept is widely used concept, clever pointer technique. This is a clever pointer technique, because just attaching one pointer, which is the in order predecessor to root, because in order predecessor should be connected to root, which is 5 here, connecting it to root so that we know कि अब next कौन सा traversal करने वाले हैं. We with just one pointer we are having a clever pointer technique, because this reduces space. So Morris was a scientist who has written this algorithm, was introduced this algorithm in his research paper, and the title of that research paper was Traversing Binary Arrays Simply and Cleanly. Simple and clean binary tree traversal. That was the name of his research paper. So yes, this is very simple and clean. Now, once you have made a connection from the in order predecessor to root, you remove it, because we told you that we will be making the connections, we will be restoring them, because now once you have reached the root, you can now move on to the right. So don't need this connection anymore, क्योंकि अब वापस लेफ्ट में तो हम कभी आने वाले नहीं हैं. ठीक है, करंट लेंगे और दो केसेस होंगे. इफ़ द लेफ्ट सब ट्री इज़ नल, इफ़ द लेफ्ट सब ट्री इज़ नल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस केस, ये तो नल हो गया. तो 1 and 2 देयर इज़ नो लेफ्ट सब ट्री, सो वेक्टर इन ऑर्डर में पुश कर देंगे रूट को, डायरेक्टली करंट को राइट में ले जाएंगे. दिस इज़ क्लियर एंड क्रिस्प. बट इफ़ द लेफ्ट ट्री सब ट्री इज़ नॉट नल, that is the case which we have to figure out. If the left subtree is not null, we will have to make a connection of the rightmost of this left subtree to the root. So we take current as current's left, we find the rightmost. How do we find out the rightmost? While current is not equal to, current right is not equal to null, we keep moving current to right. Once we have found the rightmost node, we make the connection, we make this connection back to root, and which is the case when we will be deleting. If this connection was already present. If I visited this node again, if this connection was already present, that is the case, because it has reached the rightmost node in that case. Okay, that is the case in the else, where we will be deleting. So temp right, we will be again moving it to null, which was initially null, and we will be moving to the right. So current will be updated as current right, and we will also be pushing the node to the vector here. So this video has been quite long. I will implement this live in the next video. I hope this was helpful, and I will be implementing both in order and pre-order in the subsequent video. I will make 2 parts of it. Also, one important thing, post order of this approach, which is root post order, is left right root, दैट इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल. दैट इज़ वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स, क्योंकि उसमें हमें रूट को डमी में स्टोर करवाना पड़ता है और बाद में रिवर्स करना पड़ता है, तो वो दैट इज़ क्वाइट कॉम्प्लेक्स. सो देयरफॉर क्योंकि उसमें भी स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी होती है, हम एन नोड्स दोबारा बना लेंगे. So that is not available. Morris has not introduced, so you will never be asked about implementing post order in O1 space. So this Morris is only for pre-order and in order, because सक्सेसर से हम नोड कनेक्शंस बना सकते हैं. बट यहाँ पे कनेक्शन कहाँ बनाएंगे? लेफ़्ट से तो हमें राइट पे जाना है, तो क्या लेफ़्ट मोस्ट जो लेफ़्ट का राइट मोस्ट है उसका राइट के लेफ़्ट मोस्ट से कनेक्शन बनाएंगे? दिस इज़ वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स. और अगर रूट से बना भी देते हैं तो रूट तो बाद में पुश प्रोसेस होगा, तो वहाँ पे हमें डमी नोड बनाना पड़ेगा. सो येस, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी कॉम्प्लेक्स. थैंक यू.